quite slippy.
Yeah.
Have you put some Mr. Sheen on the bottom of this, Colin?
Some Mr. Sheen on the bottom.
We may laugh, but it works, doesn't it, George? He charges £5 a squirt. Excuse me, let's keep it clean.
Either that or silicon car polish.
Yeah.
This is alright, as long as the wing don't dig in on takeoff. Is Alex going to move or is he going to stand in the middle of the strip?
Alex!
These glider pilots. Just forgotten where the flight line is. He's flying at a different club. Glider pilots, if you notice, they always walk backwards. It's a rare skill.
And to the left.
Retarded, isn't it?
And to the left.
That's what he's flying. Beautiful. He's at one with his glider. He's almost off the strip. There he is. Back to the Depron BD-5.
You got it. Slides well.
Does slide very. I think that's the problem now. Maybe you put some on one wing and not the other.
Unfortunately, there's no rudder on it, so
Oh, it's not steerable.
it's not steerable.
Oh, he didn't back off. What's he doing? I think that floor polish will have worn off by now. Look at that. Through the gap in the fence. So is this an online plan, Colin?
Yeah, it's from RC Groups.
It's on RC Groups, is it?
Free plans, Depron. I think it's 35-inch wingspan. Free to use plans. The other thing, mate, it says, please put a photograph of it on the website when you finished it.
And you were just saying that you've put covering on this.
Yeah, so this is Depron with solar film on top, ironed on. George did it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem at all. Iron at high temperature.
And it uses the 4Max 2499 power pack, value power pack, 2200 kV, 30 amp speed controller, 9 gram servos. And what battery are you using?
That's 2200 3-cell.
4-max.co.uk.
That's it.
All right,
Little play on words for J Bond.
of course.
James Bond.
From the film, which film was that?
Octopussy.
First one.
Octopussy.
Yeah.
Good, good. All right, thanks, gents.
Okay, thank you.